So let's make a quick lemon ginger tea. Now I already have my water in here. I have hot water already in here. It's hot. And what I normally do, I have my ginger that I cut up, fresh ginger. I'm going to place it in here. Then I have my lemon. I actually had a piece of an old lemon, and the actual lemon pieces, I actually like to put it in my tea. Yeah, the actual pieces, I pull it out from the hull. Then I have some juice. I'm going to put in here my lemon juice. Super easy. Then I will use a little cayenne pepper. That's it. A little turmeric. I just put a little bit in the top, so I'm not doing a lot. And a little honey, just for a little taste. So sometimes I use honey, sometimes I don't. And that's all. And I'm gonna just mix this up with a spoon, and I'm gonna drink it. So make sure you get your teas in. It has a lot of healthy benefits, and a lot of vitamin C are in lemon, so it's really great. Ginger is really great. So if you have, during this time when people dealing with a lot of flus and a lot of sickness, you want to make sure you build your immune system up. So this is really great. So try it.